dear students. Today we will learn the transformations problems. In previous class we learned problems on transformation and of course formulas also. And we do some more problems today. On completion of this period, you would be able to solve problems on transformations. Recollect the formula. You already know, but the formulas are very important, and each and every formula is used in the problems when we are going to solve the problems or prove the problems. So once again we will recap the formulas. Sin c plus sin d equals to 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Sin c minus sin d equals to 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by sin c minus d by 2. Once again I am repeating, sin c minus sin d equals to 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Cos c plus cos d equals to 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Cos c minus cos d equals to minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. And some more formulas. 2 sin a cos b equals to sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. 2 cos a sin b equals to sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. 2 cos a cos b equals to cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. 2 sin a sin b equals to cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. Cos 2a equals to 1 minus 2 sin square a. Cos 2a equals to 2 cos square a minus 1. 1 minus cos 2a equals to 2 sin square a. 1 plus cos 2a equals to 2 cos square a. These are the formulas. Now let us see the problems. If a plus b plus c equals to 180 degrees, show that sin square a plus sin square b plus sin square c equals to 2 plus 2 into cos a cos b cos c. In the solution, take the condition which is given a plus b plus c equals to 180, and we know a plus b equals to 180 minus c. If we apply sin of a plus b equals to sin c. If we apply cos of a plus b equals to minus cos c. Now consider LHS and use the formula of cos 2a. By using cos 2a formula, we can write 1 minus cos 2a by 2. And similarly sin square b also 1 minus cos 2b by 2, and sin square c also we can write 1 minus cos 2c by 2, because cos 2 theta equals to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. By using that we can write sin square a equals to 1 minus cos 2a by 2. So write trigonometric parts one side and fractions one side, then we get like this: 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. If we took common, then we have to kept here bracket, so the bracket is not printed here, but you have to understand bracket is there. So cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c, and after here we have to apply cos c plus cos d formula. So after applying first two terms we get like this, and last term cos 2c we use cos 2 theta formula, that is 2 cos square theta minus 1, and after that take the common 2 cos c from the terms. Then in place of c we can write 180 minus of a plus b, and then it is cos of a plus b. Again if we apply the formula we can write 2 cos a cos b, and remaining term as it is. After multiplication we get like this, and plus 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 means 2, 4 by 2 means 2. So this is the RHS. Like this Another problem also here we can see in a triangle ABC show that cos square A plus cos square B minus cos square C equals to 1 minus 2 sin A sin B cos C. Solution same as it is. Though I am in fever, I am saying this PPT. So please understand. Because of you, I am taking my internal energy for this PPT video. So listen, and if you observe the first problem as it is, the second is also continuous. So if we took cos to the both sides, cos of A plus B, we can write minus cos C and take LHS and cos 2 theta formula. If we apply in place of cos square A, we can write 1 plus 2 cos 2A by 2. Like cos square B, in place of cos square B, we can write 1 plus cos 2B by 2. And cos square C write as it is, and after simplifying take cos C common, and in place of cos C in the bracket term you can write 180 minus of A plus B. After that it is in the formula of cos C minus cos D, then we can write 2 sin A sin B, and this is the required RHS. And we can do one more problem also like this. In a triangle ABC, show that sin square A by 2 plus sin square B by 2 plus minus sin square C by 2 equals to 1 minus 2 cos A by 2 cos B by 2 sin C by 2. So according to the condition, we can write A plus B plus C equals to 180 and divide with 2 on both sides, then we get like this. And if we take out cos on both sides, we have cos of A plus B by 2 equals to sin C by 2. Now take LHS and convert it as a using cos 2 theta formula. We can write as a sin square A by 2. We can write as a 1 minus 2 cos A whole by 2. Like this sin square B also we can write in place of sin square B by 2. We can write 1 minus cos B by whole divided by 2, and last term as it is we have to kept. And after taking 1 by 2 common, and if we use cos C plus cos D formula, we will get like this. And after simplification, we can write sin C by 2 in place of cos A plus B by 2. Then if we took sin C by 2 common, we get like this. And in place of sin C by 2, we can write cos of A plus B by 2. And after applying the formula, we get 2 cos A by 2 into cos B by 2. And after multiplication, we have the RHS. So here LHS equals to RHS. Summary. In this session, you have learned solving problems based on transformations. So we can see the quiz. These are very simple based on the formulas. Sin 2x plus sin 5y equals to B answer. Sin 2a minus sin 2b equals to A answer. So some previous questions given for you, and do these problems. If you have any doubts, ask me or mail me. I will clear each and every step or every doubt or every question. And my request is open the PPT in one mobile and open the video in another device, because sometimes screen clarity may miss. So I hope you understood, and do the problems and practice more. Thank you. Have a nice day.